H1B F1 immigration questions. Question: what is the process of H1B changing to another company? What will happen if the current company comes to know that I'm going to change it? Answer: file H1B transfer before current company takes any action. They cannot do anything once transfer is filed. Process is to get another employer to file H1B transfer. Question: I'm always confused about this because I never changed companies. I have H1B from Company A. I started interviewing with Company B. Do they need to take over my H1B? Answer: yes. Company B will simply file your H1B transfer. No need to involve Company A. Question: but is there a risk if something goes wrong with the transfer? Answer: generally low risk if degree and job are okay. For extra security, wait for H1B approval before joining new company. Question: can I work for new company as soon as H1B transfer is received by use CIs? Answer: yes. You can start working once transfer received due to H1B portability. Question: when do I need to inform company that I'm leaving? Answer: go to manager and resign once new H1B transfer filed. Transfer doesn't need to be approved before resigning. Question: what if new H1B gets denied? Answer: problematic unless company A keeps old H1B active. Recommend waiting for approval before joining new company. Question: is use CIs actively reworking H1Bs based on wires? Should I return to India if I get wire on my first H1B? Answer: can file B1 B2 to stay legally, but best to leave before 180 days from revocation date. Question: can I do H1B transfer without pay slips if I have bank statements and W2s? Answer: yes. Pay slips not required. Proof of being paid is sufficient. Question: what are the immigration advantages of a university job versus private company for permanent residence? Answer: depends on country of birth and employer's experience with immigration process. EB1 may help if born in India. Question: is H1B transfer with visa stamp but no travel to US risky or common? Answer: pretty common but some risks depending on quota status. Question: use CIs said they are reviewing H1B but it's been over 2 months. Should I worry? Answer: unclear, but likely okay unless they actually revoke it. Question: will there be a second H1B lottery this year? Answer: good chance based on number of applications received. Question: can I work remotely for an Indian company while in the US on H1B? Answer: no, that would violate status. Question: any updates on H4 work authorization? Answer: no changes in last 6 months. Question: can I travel outside US while STEM OPT extension is pending? Answer: check detailed travel rules and blog post on. Question: how does H1B visa fraud happen and what are the consequences? Answer: fraud happens when people apply for multiple H1Bs without a genuine job offer. The companies can face criminal penalties and individuals can face visa revocation or criminal conspiracy charges. Question: what is the outlook on getting H1B visas given the high demand? Answer: look for quota-exempt jobs like at universities, non-profits, or research organizations. The probability seems low for the lottery with high demand. Question: can I work remotely on an H1B visa? Answer: generally no. H1B requires you to work at the employer's location, but there are some exceptions. Question: what is the process and timeline for converting from O.P.T.to H4 and H4 EAD? Answer: it can take several months, and there's no guarantee the H4 and E will be approved concurrently. File early to avoid gaps. Question: I have an approved I-140. Can I get H1B extensions beyond 6 years? Answer: yes. With an approved I-140 you can get H1B extensions beyond the 6-year limit. Question: what are the rules around the 60-day grace period for unemployment on H1B? Answer: you get 60 days for each new period of unemployment. It resets after each job. It doesn't continue from prior periods. Question: can I transfer H1B employers while my application is still pending? Answer: yes. You can have multiple H1B transfers pending concurrently, as long as you maintain status. Question: what are some alternatives if I don't get selected in H1B lottery? Answer: look at L1 visa for international transfers, E2 for treaty investors, or O1 for extraordinary ability workers. Question: can I travel outside the US while my H1B is being filed? Answer: yes, with proper documentation like an endorsed I-20 for F1 students. Question: when should I renew my Indian passport relative to H1B filing? Answer: anytime, just make sure to provide correct info. Question: what are backup options if my H1B doesn't get selected? Answer: options like CPT, direct GC filing, O1, L1, etc. depending on situation. Question: what is the minimum H1B salary requirement? Answer: check prevailing wage on. For job, location. Question: can I work remotely for a U.S. employer from California on a Tennessee visa? Answer: yes. Tennessee has fewer location restrictions. Question: if I have 2 degrees, can I get an H1B in either field? Answer: yes, if both degrees qualify for specialty occupation. Question: can I start a business INO.P.T. and what if it fails? Answer: can try with risk. Need an H1B or status after O.P.T. Year 1. Question: how are H1B transfers handled if both selected in lottery? Answer: can just join one, other employer must withdraw petition. Question: does an undergraduate degree in analytics qualify for STEM? Answer: check with your INSO, depends on specific program curriculum. Question: how to file taxes on Instagram monetized account while in F1? Answer: file taxes properly. Unclear of employment violation. Don't lie. Question: if blog monetized, is that unauthorized work in F1? Answer: unclear, but truthfully disclose if asked by use. CIs. Don't lie. Question: if someone is ONO.P.T. and gets laid off, what are their options? Answer: they have limited days of unemployment, then they need to find new employment, go back to school, or change visa status. Question: is H4 work authorization likely to be approved this year? Answer: no, it is unlikely to pass in the current political environment. Question: if H1B visa stamping is booked in India but the job changes, can I still use the appointment? Answer: yes, you should be able to keep the appointment slot. Question: can I work in the US while my I-140 is pending and O.P.T. expired? Answer: yes, you can stay while your green card is pending. Question: can I travel internationally if my H1B is filed and I-140 approved? Answer: yes, absolutely no problem to travel with an approved I-140. Question: if parents overstayed their visa, is there a problem getting a new one? Answer: they may be subject to getting a new visa, but it shouldn't be a major issue. Question: does my spouse need H1B stamping for my H4 visa? Answer: it depends. Used to be optional, but now sometimes required. Question: if a friend came on F1 visa, can they apply for a green card? Answer: yes. F1 visa allows dual intent, so you can apply for a green card. Question: can you get a visa stamped in a third country, not your home country? Answer: yes. You can get visas stamped in third countries. This is common. But first-time tourist and student visas can be harder. Question: if my visa got denied, will other countries deny me too? Answer: no. Visas are decided country by country. Question: can I change status from H4 to E2 visa? Answer: yes. That change of status is possible. Question: what is proof of address for student bank account? Answer: typical options are lease, I-20 if living on campus. Question: can I drop masters after H1B visa? Answer: yes. You can drop out once you get picked in H1B lottery.